Welcome back everyone to another technical analysis, and today we're taking a look at the Litecoin. Now we are seeing that we had a pretty volatile candle in the 1 hour time frame, which usually results in some kind of cool down, similar maybe to this one. So we had an hourly strong candle here, then we had some kind of cool down, then a break structure, and then a continuation. Now as price has reached the local top here, which is this area here, won't include the wicks. As we reach this area, price is showing some kind of weakness already. Now, the thing that I'm expecting to see is, let's take the other one, some kind of similar correction moment here, so slight downside momentum, then yet another push here inside this area, and this would be the area where we would be looking for a further downside movement or a market structure break on the 4 hour time frame, maybe even 30 minute time frame, depends on the market structure, the size of the market structure, I mean. So as of now, we can expect a smaller momentum move to the lower zones, maybe a shorting position, not very big, but somewhere towards this area. And as soon as we reach this zone, we are going to look for some kind of one last push to the upper zones inside back to this area. Now, once we reach this zone, we are going to look for the bigger shorting position, which is our ultimate goal here with the proper market structure break as well. With the risk reward ratio being 1 to 3.5, which is really good trading setup for us. And if we would take this smaller long position here as well, depending if we see the break structure, then we could be looking at an approximate, again, similar 1 to 3 risk reward ratio setup. So that's the plan for the LTC coin as of now. All we have to do is just wait a little bit more to see how this push will end up. Right now we closed this 1 hour candle somewhere here, so we formed a quick liquidity grab, then price decided to dip down. Now once we reach the zone, we're going to look for some kind of reversal, but there is also a chance that we might see an actual continuation to lower zones, because it's like 50-50. We can count this as a liquidity grab to the local highs here and a mark for a potential reversal, but we also, it's like 50-50. If we see the breakdown from here, we can take a short position already from here. If we don't see and we see some kind of reversal, we can take a long position with 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, as already mentioned. So multiple trading setups. Ideal would be, of course, seeing the price reaching this area once again. So maybe we are going to see something like this. We had the first touch correction, second touch correction, and then a proper fill and proper market structure break down from here on. So these are the setups that we can expect on the Litecoin and that we are going to expect as well. As of now, price is moving closer and closer to this area with a potential long position opening up for us, or a short if we see an actual breakdown and we continue to fall even further down. And of course, if we see the reversal once again, then going into a short position closer to this area. So to put it into a perspective, we might be expecting some kind of this movement. So going to put it like this and like this. So approximately something in a form of this. Accumulation here, breakout momentum, downside momentum. Again, one more liquidity grab, but this might not happen. Depends how we touch this local high here. If we see some kind of struggle here, actually I would have taken the short position here already, and I would have been wrecked as well, but I would have taken another short position here as well. But because we moved already down, the stop loss would have been moved to the break even. So that's the overall plan on the LTC coin. Once again, we are going to move here. Maybe some kind of accumulation area will form and we see yet another push, which would open an ideal shorting setup. Or if we don't see, then an optional shorting entry would be around here with the stop loss being here, the target here, and the risk reward ratio being 1 to 2.5, which is still a really good setup. So that's it for the LTC coin. If you like this video, I hope you liked it. Feel free to leave a comment and I'll catch you on the next video.